Welcome to the 12th Annual World Dental Show, Asia's largest dental exhibition held at the 𝐬𝐨𝐽𝐿D Convention Center in Mumbai. A premier platform where global dental professionals, industry leaders, and innovators converge to share the latest technologies, research, and advancements in dental science.
Lot of people are coming, students are coming, the poster presentation is full, the sessions are good and the trade fair is good, all traders are happy and it's a big experience and hopefully in coming years it will grow to higher level and we have to make it at higher level.
The high cost of the treatment, as we all know, sometimes is a big deterrent for the patient to not take treatment. It can be solved if only you realize that Indian Dental Association has brought for you something which is really great.
It's really innovative, very informative and so much networking. So keep up and I hope we get to experience one of these back home as well.